Hello and welcome back to our channel. In the second part I will show you how to arrange the previously designed blocks for sampling with a small single head embroidery machine. I will create two versions, one for a small 10 by 10 cm frame to make a sample of a single design just to check the quality of the punching, and one for a frame 18 by 13 cm for the sample. I will start with the small sample. I copy the reference circles down and insert the 4 blocks. I have to move the inner part of the flower one repeat to the left. I insert the rectangle 10 by 10 cm to show the real size of the frame. Next I move the start down to the rectangle, start punching and stabilize the net on the water-soluble fabric with a step stitch along the frame boundary. Start needle was 2. I switch to needle 1 and connect with the leaf part. Switch to needle 2 and connect with the inner flower part. Switch to needle 3 and connect with the outer flower part. Switch back to needle 1 and connect with the cutting edge. The small test sample is ready and we can write the stitch data. Tajima and save. Now we can already embroider the first sample. If the result is not good, I can make the necessary modifications on the original punch. All modifications will automatically apply also to our test sample. When ready, I just make the new sample and check the result. For the small sample I use the small 10 by 10 frame with 1 layer stabilizer and the tulle. I load our test design from USB and start to embroider. Okay, now the design is ready. I dissolve the stabilizer in boiling water. And that's our sample after taking off the water-soluble stabilizer. The test sample does not look so bad, so I can start to prepare the real sample. First I make space for the real sample and move the test sample to the right. I insert again the 4 blocks. Move the center part of the flower to the left and the blocks below to the right. Next I draw a rectangle 18 by 13 centimeters for the frame. The leaf part of the lower left design is partially outside of the frame, but I will modify it to fit the frame. To be able to make modifications to a block, I have to explode the block in its original object. Now I can remove the connections to the leaf group, which exceeds the frame, and close the gap to the upper leaf group. Next I move the second leaf group to the left. Also the cutting edge has to be modified, so I explode also this block. I copy the edge to the left side where it is also partially missing. I drag the end of the right and the left edge into the frame. The preparation is ready and we can start to connect the sample. First I move the start. And stitch around the frame to stabilize the fabric. Then I change to needle 1 and connect all the leaf parts. Change to needle 2 and connect with the Geflecht on the left side. Change to needle 3 and connect with the blood stitch part. I do the same with the right flower. Change to needle 2, connect with Geflecht, change to needle 3, connect with blood stitch. Then I change to needle 1 and finish the upper cutting edge. I add the lower left leaf before finishing the lower cutting edge. Now the sample is actually ready. I write the stitch data, then I can start to make our sample. By the way, I connected first the Geflecht and the blood stitch of the left flower, then the Geflecht and the blood stitch of the right flower. In this way I can sample the design as color change, but also as alternate color design. I loaded already the real sample into the machine. Okay, now the sample is ready. Our sample before dissolving the stabilizer and now already without stabilizer. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you again on our channel.